Okay guys, so this is my dry curl results. This is the results of doing the Mimosu Rice Water treatment for 2 weeks. I think I did it about 3 or 4 times, and I love how my hair looks. I love how full my hair looks. My hair looks so much thicker and more voluminous when I do it. I'm actually so happy that Beauty Soul could sponsor this video and send me their rice water kit to try it out, because I actually like it and I will keep doing this. Okay, so overall the journey, it was pretty good. I didn't have any negative thoughts on this rice kit at all. Process was extremely easy and it was not stressful at all. I think it really made a difference in my hair. Even if you guys don't see it, I feel it and I feel more confident about my hair. Like, I like how voluminous it is and I don't feel like it's like flat. It's very voluminous, and like I just always wanted more volume, my hair to be like a little bit thicker, and I think the thickness has come in a little bit, so I'm very happy. Overall, I give this like a 10 out of 10. I have no negative thoughts on this. I think it's all positive. I just think that you guys have to have patience if you want to see really dramatic results. I don't think my results are dramatic, but I definitely can see the results.